Drones have made life easier, helping with deliveries and taking pictures from the sky. They are now a big part of our daily lives. But what if bad people use this technology? Imagine the trouble they could cause. A busy city could suddenly become chaotic. The same drones that help us could be used to harm us. This is not a movie. It really happened, and it could happen again if we are not careful. The danger is real and always there, hiding in our connected world. A terrorist group hacked into drones using their weaknesses. They turned these drones into weapons, causing a lot of damage. Imagine drones flying together, now armed and dangerous. These drones, once helpful, became scary, their blinking lights a warning. The city was in trouble. Meet Alex, a cybersecurity expert who had to stop this. Alex, an experienced professional, had to act fast to stop the drones. As the drones caused chaos, Alex worked quickly to find the hackers and stop them. Every second counted and the pressure was huge. The stakes were very high, lives were at risk, and every second mattered. The responsibility was heavy, emergency teams were overwhelmed, and the city was in panic. But how did this happen? How did helpful drones become dangerous? The answer is in our connected world. Technology's connections are both good and bad. Drones, like many smart devices, are made for convenience, not security. This can be very dangerous. Once online, they can be targeted by bad people, their weaknesses easy to exploit. Alex found big security problems in the drones: default passwords, unencrypted messages, and old software. These problems made it easy for terrorists to take over the drones. The terrorists were happy, their plans working perfectly. The hijacked drones flew with bad intentions, controlled from far away. Alex felt a lot of stress. Every minute spent finding the hackers was another minute the drones could cause harm. Time was running out, and the pressure was intense. Alex felt the weight of the world on his shoulders. The city was in chaos, and the stakes were very high. Sleepless nights, endless coding, and the fear of failure wore him down. But then, a breakthrough. Alex found the source of the hack, a remote place far from the city. This was a ray of hope. With the police now involved, they worked together to stop the rogue drones. The police acted quickly, showing the power of teamwork and technology. They worked together to stop the rogue drones. It was a race against time, but they were determined to win. They won, but the damage was done. The city had to recover. The aftermath was terrible, showing how technology can be used for harm. Governments had to rethink drone rules and security. The world had changed, and so had the rules. Drones were no longer just toys or tools. They could be weapons and needed to be treated carefully. New security measures were put in place, making the world a bit safer. Alex's story is a reminder of what can happen when we don't think about security. As we use more technology, we must be careful and make sure it's secure. Technology is part of our lives, but we must use it wisely. We must always think about security. The risks are too high to ignore. Security should never be an afterthought. Even the most harmless technology can be dangerous in the wrong hands. The risk of misuse is always there. Always be ready. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Remember, being careful is our best defense against digital threats.